Hello, beautiful people. How are you feeling today? Are you feeling amazing? Are you feeling good? Or are you excited to learn something new? We are back again. I am Tarun Mukhija, a digital marketing consultant, corporate trainer, and a public speaker. I'm the founder of Tarun Speaks, which is a corporate training and a digital marketing company. We believe in only one thing: educating, elevating, and empowering 1 million individuals by December 1st, 2025. And the big vision of the company is very simple: it is to help 1 billion people make money by doing what they love. Alright, let's learn about artificial intelligence and its impact on business and society. So, before I begin, let me ask you all, what is artificial intelligence? You all understand NI, which is natural intelligence. Now, I want to understand from you, what is AI, which is artificial intelligence? You tell me. Yes. All right. Okay. Absolutely right. So, artificial intelligence is something that humans created. We created everything around us, right? Right from this camera to this laptop to this screen to everything that is visible. So, everything that is visible to you, we have created that. Who? We as humans. So, AI is also called as machine intelligence. When you put intelligence or brain in a machine, it is going to be called as AI. It is the ability of a computer or a machine to perform certain tasks commonly associated with the intelligence of a being or a human. So when a machine comes into the picture, what happens? They listen to you, right? Exactly what ChatGPT is doing. It listens to you, it understands, it adapts. A tool listens to you, adapts by whatever input you give it, and third, gives you the correct output. Exactly how a robot functions. In a restaurant in the US, there are robots which serve you. They take your order, they get the order, they place it on your table like a normal server, like a human. Now that might be making you wonder, will this take away the jobs of humans? Never. Because human intelligence can never become not important. Reason being, humans think creatively and emotionally and logically, all three. While a robot might not be able to do so at the moment, even if in the future they are able to do so, they will still not be able to replace a specific human. That's a promise. Or you develop a skill that cannot be replaced by an AI tool or a robot. As simple as that. Now, AI is used to perform tasks that are usually done by the use of human intelligence. Like, for example, a code that you need to write to develop a website today can be done very easily through a tool called Wix.com. For learning Wix.com, you can go to how to start up a business online video on YouTube, which I have recorded for all of you. And there I explain Wix.com in a lot of depth. Okay. AI gives humans and people one advantage, which is making their job or their work easy. It gives allowance to machines to model them in a specific way or improve on what the abilities of humans are. So let's try and make AI a best friend of natural intelligence or humans. Don't run away from it, don't shy away from it, because AI is actually helpful. AI can make the job easy. AI can help you edit videos in a minute. For example, there's a tool called VEED.io. 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 VDO is the website's called. It is going to give you automatic subtitles with different animations absolutely in 60 seconds or less. It saves human power and human brain and human strength. How? By the tool doing so. But you will not become lazy. You have to keep doing it, keep doing it, keep doing it manually also at times. That's where you win the battle, my friend. So let AI become your best friend. What are the different examples of AI around us? The best example I've seen in recent times is a AR-based tool on the app of Adidas, where you can try the shoe virtually, then and there. Whether you like it or not like it, you'll be able to judge it via artificial intelligence combined with augmented reality. Genius is what I would like to call that by Adidas. What are the different examples of AI? E-payments, maps and navigation, facial detection and recognition like the way you unlock your phone, text editing and autocorrect, search recommendation automation, digital assistants like chatbots, social media monitoring or social media ORM, online reputation management, or marketing chatbots. Right? Okay. We will discuss all of these examples in a lot of depth. Let's understand each of these examples of AI in depth. The most important tool that AI has developed is maps and navigation. Imagine if in today's world there was no Google Maps. What would you do? Especially in a city like Mumbai. I don't know what would I do actually. If you ever move out from a city to another, you need Google Maps, and this is the best thing ever. It tells you the traffic, if there's an accident, how much time is it taking to reach your destination. What more do we want in life? These are the three most important aspects. Second, facial detection and recognition. It is of prime importance because of the security and the privacy concerns rising in the last 10 to 15 years. Data is leaked at so many places at so many times, but if you ever consider facial recognition and detection, it just cannot be replicated. It is very difficult to duplicate something like this. So facial detection is another tool or another example of AI. Text editor and autocorrect. I think I would have never been able to do so much of correction myself. It is so time consuming. So why waste time? Let's actually save time with all of our tools. So text editor and autocorrect is another very amazing example. Another example is the search recommendation automation. What happens when a search recommendation automation comes? When you're searching on Google or any other platform like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or wherever, you get a search recommendation that helps making your job of finding the specific link or specific page or specific website easy. A tool will only make your life easy, not difficult. It is only difficult in the head. Whose head? Yours, or maybe somebody else's, because they feel that tools are not helpful. They feel that tools are going to take away our jobs. No, this tool is a convenient tool. I can switch left, right, and center because of this. Otherwise, I would have to come there, change from the laptop. What is the point of doing that? This is a tool. AI is an artificial intelligence tool. This is a physical tool. That's a digital tool. As simple as that. Right? Okay. Then next is digital assistants. Now you can't hire or maybe accommodate an actual assistant. So you hire a digital assistant. The assistant will speak and get you appointments. For example, Calendly. Calendly is the best tool to schedule your appointments and your calendar. You decide your time of availability and the tool will do the rest. Social media monitoring. You need to know what is the sentiment in the market about you or your brand. Social media monitoring tools or online reputation management tools will help you doing so. अगर आप मैनुअली ये करते हैं, आपको एक नहीं सर तीन चार लोग लगेंगे ये करने के लिए. Because if you're a brand like Vodafone, Fevicol or Idea, you need to keep monitoring it left, right and center because people are constantly talking about your brand online or your Paytm. Right? So social media monitoring tools are a game changer again. Marketing chatbots are now coming to conversational based AI based marketing. इंसान नहीं, चैटबॉट आपसे बातें कर करके आपको प्रोडक्ट सेल कर देता है, आपको मालूम भी नहीं पड़ता है. हाय सर, वेलकम टू IKEA. हाउ कैन वी हेल्प यू? व्हाट आर यू लुकिंग फॉर? आपने इन दिनों का क्वेश्चन का आंसर दिया. हियर आर सम रिकमेंडेशंस आई फाउंड स्पेसिफिकली फॉर यू. दिस इज अ स्पेशल ऑफर, आई कैन गिव इट टू यू राइट अवे. प्लीज परचेज इट फ्रॉम दिस लिंक बिलो. Purchase, deal done. Conversational based, conversion based AI chatbots are the new thing after marketing chatbots. E-payments. Life is simple because of Google Pay, Paytm, PhonePe, and so on and so forth. Imagine you taking out your credit card, debit card, and again tapping or swiping or putting your PIN. Today you have to just scan a code and you're sorted. You're done. It is only and only convenience, not taking away your jobs. I'm repeating it because you all might be thinking that AI might take away your jobs, but if your skill set is higher than a tool, you will never be replaced. So make yourself irreplaceable, my friend, wherever you work. Let's understand the characteristics of artificial intelligence. There are various characteristics that artificial intelligence has, such as facial recognition, deep learning, automating tasks, data ingestion, cloud computing, quantum computing, and chatbots. Let's understand each of these now in depth. The first one is deep learning. Now, what exactly is deep learning? Deep learning is what the tool does, which is a technique under machine learning that teaches computers to work or operate like a human mind. That means naturally. There are many fields in AI, such as autonomous vehicles like Tesla, computer vision, automatic text generation like voice to text, etc., where the use of deep learning increases. Now, how does that increase and why is it important? If you're using voice to text, you may type in a different way, I may type in a different way. You might use short forms, I might not use short forms. You type, let's say for example, hi, how are you doing? I type, hello, what's up, how are you doing? So the tool has to recognize the way the human is typing or the way the human is giving a voice to text command. When the tool keeps learning, it keeps adapting to you and what you like. That's how you get suggestions via Siri or via your phone or Amazon. They're constantly learning and monitoring your activities so that you get the best output and your time wastage is zero, close to zero. Number 2, facial recognition. The term itself means recognizing individuals' faces using biometric mapping. It was only made possible by the use of AI. Without this, your unlocking of phones would not work. And I'm sure you love that, right? When you take your phone, you unlock, it's a good feeling. You don't have to type the password again and again. It works by comparing the knowledge stored in the database of known faces to bring out a match. Is the database matching with what your face looks like? So in COVID, what happened? If you remember, what Apple did was, they introduced an interesting thing, which was the phone will now be able to recognize you with your mask on also, right? The phone will also able to recognize with you with your mask on as well. So the goal of this technique is to find, recognize and differentiate faces. That is why a tool will help you not unlock your phone via a different face. Otherwise the tool is a complete waste. Yes or yes? Yes? All right. Number 3, automation of tasks. No matter how many times a repeated task is given to an AI tool, it will do it, continue to do it with the same efficiency. Maybe a human might not be able to. It can be as simple as wishing somebody good morning every day. I use it on my phone every day. I wish my mom, dad and my sister good morning every day via an automation by Apple. The automation is very simple. Send good morning, have a great day to mom, dad and sister by sunrise, 7 a.m., 7:10, 7:30, whatever the sunrise happens. So no matter how many times I give the task to the tool, it is going to happen. Imagine you need to follow up with somebody for payments, automate. Keep sending them a reminder every once in a week. Just automate, automate and automate. Don't let everything be done by your brain. Let the tool do some things, right? So AI has the ability to perform the similar work over and over and over and over again with the same efficiency. With the same efficiency. For example, Alexa and Siri follows your orders as many times as you want. You are roaming around with a personal assistant. Siri, hey Siri, what's up? Personal assistant. Google, Google Assistant. Or Alexa, Alexa, play this song. Alexa, do this. Alexa, what's the weather? This is all an assistant given to you, an assistance given to you, right? So automate tasks as much as you can because automation will help you. The different types of AI tools and AI features as we discussed are these. Some of them are deep learning, facial recognition, automating tasks, and the fourth one which we have to come on to is data ingestion. Data ingestion is that transportation of knowledge from assorted sources to a data storage medium where it is often accessed, used and analyzed by a corporation. Now, data ingestion is very important because data is the new oil. With this data, they can take future decisions much better because the current data that they have will tell them what is the future business prediction, revenue prediction, marketing prediction, all predictions. Let me give you an example. Via an AI-based tool, a very close friend of mine who works in Amazon was working for the account Nike. Now they analyzed which shoe in which part of the country, which color which size is selling the most, so that they can tell the production team which one to produce more. Now, is that genius or is that genius? I think it is super genius. Reason being, Nike now knows इंडिया के कौन से पार्ट में कौन सा शू कितना बिक रहा है, कौन से कलर में बिक रहा है, कौन से साइज में बिक रहा है. That is what data can give you. Right or right? Absolutely right. Let's move ahead. Cloud computing. I think with the amount of data that is getting recorded, like this data is getting recorded right now. We have a person recording on behind of the camera. We have another person recording from the phone. All of this data is flowing through the internet. So we cannot store it in a hard disk or a pen drive anymore. That would have been a major problem if we were in 2023 and we would not have any cloud storage platforms. But with the help of features of AI, within the business's cloud computing environment is the most important thing for any company. It makes you more efficient, strategic, and insight driven. Why? Because you have your data access to anywhere and anytime. Right from a Dropbox to Google Drive to Apple iCloud. Cloud computing is what you need. Data is the most important key. And again, I'm repeating, cloud computing can help you solve that problem of getting your hard disks everywhere versus just buying a Google Drive. 1500 rupees for 12 months, 100 GBs per month limitation. Isn't that amazing? I think it's amazing because we have it, we use it, you should too. One important aspect, please don't overfill your drives, because the data can get corrupted, your email IDs will go waste, you will not be able to recover them. Has happened with us. From that learning, we purchased all cloud servers possible. Data should never be lost. This content is recorded once. If it is lost, then whose loss it is? Yours or mine? Both of ours. I have to re-record this entire thing and you will have to re-see this entire thing. It will get late. So data should be recorded 24/7, 365 and kept on cloud, whether it's forms, documents or videos. Quantum computing. Quantum computing is a transformative technology. Now, what is quantum computing? The major development in AI is certainly need quantum computing because basic computing is not going to be handling such large amount of quantum load of data. It speeds up the training of the machine and the machine learning models, via which the AI tool becomes smarter, which results into path-breaking developments in the coming future. Like for example, earlier the facial recognition was very bad. Today it's super amazing. Your phone unlocks in less than a second, right? Secondly, fingerprint sensor, amazing. Thirdly, ChatGPT gives you anything and everything under the sun in 30 seconds or less. What more do you need? For that you need speed. You need God speed, you need quantum computing, and that's exactly where quantum computing comes into the picture. The most important thing now is a chatbot. This is a very old technique. A human cannot be chatting with a user 24/7, 365. That's why Zomato, Zepto, Swiggy, Amazon, any e-commerce website must have a chatbot. Chatbots are softwares to provide a window for solving customers' problems through either audio, visual, or textual input. Earlier, the bots used to respond only to specific commands. Now, they respond to so much more. If you say the wrong thing, it doesn't know what you mean. It will try to ask you again, get the answer from you, and give you the answer back. A chatbot is replacing human beings at the time that they cannot be available. 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. Who is going to respond on a website? Nobody, right? That's where conversational based or conversion based AI chatbots have come into the picture. IKEA uses this very well. They'll ask you, "Hi sir, how may I help you? What's your name? What's your mobile number?" "Hi, I am Rahul. My name is Rahul. My mobile number is 9999999 and I want a 3 BHK bedroom fully designed by you guys." "Sure sir, let me do it for you. Can you share the area with us?" "Sure, shared." This is the chatbot talking to you. Getting my logic? That's exactly why a chatbot is important, because a human cannot be everywhere. A chatbot can. So use conversational or conversion based AI marketing used by IKEA, plus WhatsApp marketing as well is a conversational based AI, plus Facebook Messenger as well. The more you use it, the faster the chances of conversion. Right? All right. Types of artificial intelligence. There are 4 different types: reactive machines, self-aware, limited memory, theory of mind. These are very interesting terms, right? Let's understand each one of them in depth, step by step. What are reactive machines? If you look at reactive machines, there are machines which perform basic tasks and operations. This is referred to as the simplest form of AI, and it's called the first step of an AI system. This mode does not store any input, it performs no learning. It is a static machine learning model. ये टूल चेंज नहीं होगा, ये टूल सिर्फ वही करेगा जो आप इसको बोलेंगे. ये ना कुछ नया सीखेगा, ना कुछ समझेगा, ना ही कुछ नया रिस्पॉन्स देगा. सिर्फ जो आप इसको इनपुट देंगे, मतलब 1 + 1 2 करके आपको ये दे देगा आउटपुट. दैट्स इट. इतना ही काम है इसका. समझ में आया सबको? Everybody understanding? This is not going to be learning any new thing. Number 2, TOM or theory of mind. In this type of AI, it begins to interact with thoughts and emotions of humans. Currently, models have one-way communication with AI. Like for example, Alexa and Siri. It communicates with you. It understands your emotion. It understands your thought process. At least tries to. It might not be the best and the most emotional tool, but it still tries to tell you the best that it can understand depending on what you're speaking. Like for example, hey Siri, how's the weather? Let's do it right now in front of you. Let's ask Siri, how's the weather? I'll do it in front of you right now. Hey Siri, how's the weather? It says, Mumbai, clear, chance of rain 0%, 31 degrees. Hey Siri, what do you think about artificial intelligence? It says, I don't have an answer for that because it is itself an AI tool. Hey Siri.
One moment.
Hey Siri, can you tell me what exactly do you need to make a lemonade? Sure, it says sure. You need lemon, you need some soda, you need some masala, mix it together and drink it and enjoy. The point is that an AI tool, from a theory of mind point of view, understands what you're saying. It is not one-way communication. It is two-way communication. Alexa, Siri, Google Assistant are all examples of TOM or theory of mind. Another example of reactive machines can be the Google Translate. It translates everything word to word in any language that you want. Alright, let's move ahead. The third type is limited memory. Now this is one of the ability of AI to store previous data and using that stored data to make better analysis. Obviously, like any tool, if it is storing data, has to learn from that data and then take a better decision next time. That's what data is for in life and for a tool as well. There are 3 types of machine learning that have limited memory type. Reinforcement learning, LSTMS, which is long short-term memory, evolutionary generative adversarial network, which is EGAN. Now what does it mean? It means that all of these 3 tools or all of these 3 types or kinds are 3 different memory types. These are the different memory types which an AI tool might have. This in turn is a limited memory which an AI tool might have. Now this tells you that you cannot be expecting a tool to understand, disseminate, decipher everything that you say to the tool. And that's why you need humans. The fourth one is a self-aware tool. A self-aware intelligence is beyond the human and has an independent intelligence of itself. And likely people will have to negotiate terms with the entity. The point over here is a robot has its own intelligence. It has a self-aware intelligence. It knows what is happening here, what is happening there, what is happening here. Like a human being, right? So it is independent of the human intelligence. Humans के बिना भी वो चीज़ चलेगी. वो एक self-aware object, like for example, the best example I can give you. Have you seen those disc-shaped circular floor mops which automatically detect the dirt and they keep mapping wherever the dirt is and keep wiping that? It is a brilliant way to mop the floor. And such as the mop, there are multiple such self-aware applications of AI. I'll just give you one example. So, reactive machines, theory of mind, self-aware, and limited memory. What are the different applications of AI? In automobile, like for example, Tesla, the first company in the world to introduce a self-driven car. Isn't that like genius? It understands everything happening in the surroundings, where the car is coming from, where it is going, to the maps, to the voice assistant, everything. In business, automation has become the paramount success in any business. And that is where AI comes into the picture again. Education. No education in 2023 and years to come is going to be without AI. You all know how much are we using AI tools. We will give you a list of the tools by the end of the session, but keep watching till the end. Finance, manufacturing, gaming, government, healthcare, and plenty of applications. There is no end to applications of AI. It is only going to increase. It is the Internet of Things era that we are in. Everything around has internet, right from this watch to this mobile, everything is internet around us. What are the advantages and disadvantages of AI? The biggest advantage of AI is convenience, speed, and zero margin for error. It helps in reducing human errors. It can work anywhere, anytime, easy handling of repetitive tasks, and it is faster than humans, for sure, right? If a human has to send an email to 1 lakh people, a tool can send it in 1 minute, like MailChimp, but a human will have to type it, send it in like, I don't know how many minutes or hours. It can perform tasks more than human capacity, or 100% sure. Again, like same example of email. If you want to send about 1 lakh emails, the tool can send it in like 5 minutes, wherein a human will be able to send it in like some few minutes, hours, I don't know, right? Some hours for sure. Margin for error is zero because whatever you tell the tool, they'll do it. But for humans, they might create some errors, but that doesn't mean that humans are going to be replaced. Disadvantages. Implementation is a costly affair. It can never duplicate human mind creativity. I would call this an advantage for humans, right? Machine will replace human employment. While that is not completely true, but I think that some machines will replace humans who are not upskilling themselves. So please don't be replaceable, be irreplaceable. Humans can get over reliant on AI. हर चीज़ आप AI से ही कर रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं करना है हमें. दिमाग हमारे पास है, टूल से हमें सिर्फ काम करवाना है. टूल पे 100% डिपेंडेंट नहीं होना है हमें. Got it? All right. Impact of AI on the society. Now, how is AI impacting the society as a whole? Let's understand that step by step. Productivity will definitely increase. Now, if you can do 10 tasks, AI tells you that you can do 100 tasks. How? Automate them. Right. I'll show you an example. In my phone, what I have done is I have automated some emails, some follow-up reminders, some tasks, and some Google Calendar meetings, some personal work. Everything is on my calendar or my automation tools or my newsletter, which is automated as well. The reason is what? I can do 10 tasks. With the tool, I can do 1 lakh tasks. Let the tool do the work for you, my friend. Why are you doing it? So the productivity will definitely increase. Second, it shares human from risks. It saves and spares humans from risk. It saves and spares human from risks. आपके एरर्स होंगे ही नहीं, कोई रिस्क होगा ही नहीं. आपने किसी को कुछ गलत भेजा ही नहीं, आपने सब सोचा, टूल को बोला और आपने ईमेल शेड्यूल कर दिया, या फिर आपने ट्रांजैक्शन शेड्यूल कर दिया, या फिर आपने मीटिंग शेड्यूल कर दी. Don't let the brain remember everything, my friend. Let the tool do it for you. Why should the brain do so much of hard work? Let the tool do it for you, right? Reduction in human errors, for sure. I've discussed this multiple times. Unemployment. Now, this might be a big scary factor for people who don't upskill themselves. So you keep upskilling yourself, okay? Future of privacy. Now, your data is going to go away to a tool all the time. Like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, they're taking your data. Google as well. The data is going to be available to every tool. So the privacy of your data is going to be a big question mark. So think about how can we do that And how can we avoid giving every data point to a tool? Or simply use a new email ID for every tool that you log into, which is a dummy email ID, right? All right. Now there are some list of AI tools by me. I have picked these AI tools specifically for you, which will make your life easy as a marketer, entrepreneur, advertiser, MBA student, or whatever you're learning right now, my friend. This is the game changer list for you. Starting with the first tool for audio and video AI tools. Let's begin with VoicePen AI. Now what does VoicePen AI do? It converts your entire audio content into blog posts. You don't have to write your blog posts anymore. Just record them. Writing might take about 2 hours, 3 hours. Recording might take just like 15 minutes if you have the content ready. Right? Number 2 is Crisp for removing background voices, noises, and echoes from calls. Now, if you are on a Google Meet call or a Zoom call and you don't want the dog barking in the background or something else happening in the background or a cooker ki seeti going up in the background, use KRISPA sp.ai. Crisp is what it will give you. Crisp audio, crisp output via crisp.ai. Number 3 is Beethoven. It's an AI tool for creating custom royalty-free music. Now you might not be able to create music which is royalty-free and might be flagged for a copyright by any social media platform like YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn. In that ways, use Beethoven.ai. It is going to help you create royalty-free music. That's the best part. Number 4, for editing your podcast episodes automatically, don't need to hire an individual anymore until unless there's a lot of depth involved. Use cleanvoice.ai as a tool for all your podcasting requirements. Podcastle, an AI tool for studio quality recording from your computer. You want a studio quality recording? Don't have a studio or don't have a budget for a studio? Go to podcastle.ai. Number 6 is VIDYO. It's an AI tool for making short form videos from long form videos. ये खुद से आपके वीडियोस जो 10 मिनट के हैं उनको तोड़ कर बेस्ट सेगमेंट सिलेक्ट करके डायरेक्टली आपको दे देगा. Amazing, right? So if you have a podcast which is 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 50 minutes, it is going to give you bites of 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 15 seconds, 45 seconds, whatever you need and whatever you desire. Number 7 is Maverick. It is going to generate personalized videos at scale for you. That's what this tool does. It generates personalized videos at scale for you. Then there is SoundDraw, AI tool for creating original music like Beethoven. SoundDraw is another tool for creating original music. Number 9 is Otter, AI tool for capturing and sharing insights from meetings. Wherever you go, just write otter.ai. It is automatically going to take and capture whatever the other person is speaking, whatever you are speaking, whatever images were shared, whatever documents were shared, whatever PDFs were shared. Otter is going to record everything for you. If you're somebody who's into design or you love designing or creativity, these are some design tools for you. Flare.ai is a tool for designing branded content such as your content on videos, letterheads, visiting cards, whatever you require. Illustroke is tool number 2 for creating vector images from text. Now imagine that you've typed a boy hanging from a tree. It is going to create an entire vector for you free of cost. Let the tool do the work. Why should you? If you're not a designer, then use the tool. If you have a designer, amazing, because nothing can replace originality or original creativity. Patterned. Patterned is another tool for generating patterns for design. It is patterned.ai. Number 4 is Stocking for generating the perfect stock photos. Whatever you need, it is called stockimg.ai. It is called stockimg.ai. 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 For the next carousel on Instagram, for the next presentation, you can use stock images from stocking.ai. Number 5 is Luca. It's an AI tool for designing your branded content. So go to luca.com, as simple as that. With that, we complete all the design tools. Let's move ahead to copy and content tools. If you're a copywriter or a creative person or a writer, you can use these tools for make sure so that your conversions increase. To make sure that your conversions increase, you can write better copy or reiterate the passive voice to active or active to passive. The first one is copy.ai. If you want to build a resume, use this. If you want to write an email, use this. If you want to write something compelling, use copy.ai. It is going to help you write copy that converts or brings you more conversions. Number 2 is CopyMonkey. It's an AI tool for creating Amazon listings in seconds. You don't have to type everything by yourself. Use copymonkey.ai. Your job will be just done by a tool. You focus on other important creative work. Number 3 is Okoya. It's an AI tool for creating and scheduling social media content. It is okoya.com over here. Check it out, very useful. Number 4 is Unbounce Smart Copy. It's an AI tool for writing high-performance cold emails at scale. The website is unbounce.com. Why Unbounce? Because you don't need a higher bounce rate on your cold emailing. That's why you use unbounce.com. Try using it, see how it works, and if you like it, do share it with me with your feedback on teamtarunspeaks@gmail.com or just simply tag us at tarunmakhija01 across LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, Twitter, Pinterest, or whichever platform you use. Then we have Puzzle. It's an AI tool for building a knowledge base for your team and for your customer. It is a puzzlelabs.ai. You can put all your FAQs in this tool for your team and your customers. With that, we complete all the copy and copywriting tools. Next is image and content cleanup AI tools. Number 1 is Civit AI. CIVIT AI is the only model sharing hub for AI art generation community. This is where people share their AI based art. Number 2 is Cleanup. Cleanup is a very simple tool for removing objects, defects, people, or text from pictures. You can go to cleanup.pictures as well. The next amazing tool for you all is called Ink for All, which means it's an AI tool for content generation, optimization, and performance. It's a very simple website, inkforall.com. Try it and see how much is the content generation relevant to what you were searching for. Is it optimized or not? And is it helping you increase the performance of your ads or your organic content? Number 4 is Thunder Content. It's an AI tool for generating content, thundering content in minutes. Then comes AI database tools. Number 1 is Synthetic AI Data. Number 2 is There's an AI for That. This tool will help you find out other AI tools which are maybe for video editing, podcasting, or whatever you want. It's a search engine of AIs. So use this tool called this which is called There's an AI for That. Alright, with that we complete the artificial intelligence module. I just want to tell you that artificial intelligence can never ever replace humans. There's a tool for everything. Don't let the tool do everything. Don't be over reliant or over dependent. Don't let your creativity go away because of a tool. Don't fear your job because it is going to go nowhere if you keep upskilling yourself. On that note, you can always visit my website. It's called tarunmakhija.in, or visit my Instagram, which is called tarunmakhija01. Or simply, if you have any doubts, you can always email to us on teamtarunspeaks@gmail.com. With that note, we complete the module. Thank you so much for being a very patient audience. I hope you enjoy the next one as well, which is on content marketing. And it is going to be super amazing. Until then, you know what to do. Keep creating content. Don't listen to what people have to say. If these are not your parents, your best friends, or your mentors. And last but not the least, you all know what to do. Wherever you go, whoever you meet, whenever you can, don't forget to smile and spread a smile. Thank you so much, guys. This is Tarun Makhija signing off. I am a digital marketing consultant, corporate trainer, public speaker, and the founder of Tarun Speaks. Thank you so much.